In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot outbound calling and explain how HubSpot calling works. This process will enable you to seamlessly integrate outbound calling capabilities into your existing HubSpot setup, allowing you to connect with your contacts efficiently and effectively. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trial guide. The trial guide is your go-to resource, packed with all the necessary information you'll need to kick off your journey in building powerful workflows. It serves as a comprehensive roadmap, ensuring you have a smooth and informed experience as you dive into setting up your outbound calling features. Now, let's head over to your HubSpot homepage. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear-like symbol. Click on it to enter the settings menu, and you'll find a variety of options tailored to different aspects of your HubSpot experience. Among these, locate the calling section and click on that as well. At this point, you'll be greeted with the option to get started. By clicking this prompt, you'll embark on a guided tour that will lead you through the essential steps to setting up your calling preferences. The beauty of this setup is its flexibility. It's designed to be highly customizable, offering you the freedom to tailor the setup according to your specific needs and requirements. Whether you're focusing on personalizing your caller ID, creating call queues, or setting up voicemail options, each aspect can be adjusted to suit your business model and communication style. As you follow the guided setup, consider factors like what kind of identification you want to display to your call recipients and how you plan to manage call queues if you're dealing with high call volumes. Taking these elements into account ensures that your setup not only meets your immediate needs, but also aligns with your long-term communication strategy. Remember, HubSpot's calling feature is more than just a simple dialer. It's an integrated part of your overall customer relationship management strategy. When configured correctly, it can help streamline your outreach efforts, boost your team's efficiency, and ultimately enhance your customer engagements. By the end of this setup process, you should feel confident in your ability to utilize outbound calling within HubSpot, fully leveraging this robust feature to maintain meaningful connections with your clients. If at any point you feel uncertain or run into questions, don't hesitate to revisit the trial guide or reach out to HubSpot's customer support for additional assistance. Thank you for joining me in setting up HubSpot outbound calling today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your HubSpot experience.